Hello and welcome. In this particular session, we are going to learn what are the different effects of dragging a cell or a range depending on the values inside the cell or the range you are dragging. When you drag a cell with a number, let's say I'm dragging a cell and this particular cell has a number 3, and when I drag only one cell with a number, it is going to copy the same number in the remaining cells. However, if I drag a range of two cells with numbers, then Excel detects a trend between the two numbers and follows that trend in the remaining cell. So here you see the numbers are increasing by 3, so 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. However, if you type a alphanumeric data, that means you have a text and a number, then in that particular case, even with one cell, you can drag and continue the trend and increment by 1. So it is going to increase by 1. So let's say here I type HT87, and when I drag this, it is going to increase the next numbers by 1. So in case of alphanumeric text, where the number is the second half and the text is the first half, then by dragging you get an increment of 1. Whereas in case of pure numbers, it will detect its trend. Whatever is the relationship between the two numbers in terms of increment, it will follow that.